Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to move a layer in GIMP. So let's get started. Open GIMP and load the project where you want to move a layer. To view the Layers panel, go to the Windows menu and select Dockable Dialogues, then Layers. In the Layers panel, click on the layer you want to move to activate it. This will allow you to make adjustments to the specific layer. Click and drag the selected layer within the canvas to move it to a new position. As you drag, the layer will follow your mouse movement. And that's it. Hope you enjoyed the video. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.